Hi Steve, great performance, great win, but a cold night.
Yeah. First off, the lads deserve great credit.
Yeah.
I thought first half we were okay. You know, conceding a sloppy goal, but we didn't really get our foot on the ball. We were taking too many touches, and going in at half time, changed it, brought on Matty and Macca.
It was pretty immediate.
Yeah, but it was tactical. We just wanted a bit more of a threat in behind,
Yeah.
and just another calming influence in that middle. And I think it worked. Well, it did work, and we come out second half, and we played for 20 minutes. We played fantastic.
Yeah, we had a lot of chances in front of the
Yeah,
goal,
we did.
and the pace from the forwards was they just couldn't live with that.
No, we got back to, we said at half time, go out and play how we want to play. Keep passing the ball, keep switching it. And we did do that. And like I say, some of the football switching to Alex, some of the balls across. On another day it could have been 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
But credit to them, they stuck in, and they were always a threat. They were always a threat from a dead ball. Balls in the box. And we conceded 2 sloppy goals, which is disappointing from our point of view tonight. But apart from that, some of the football was first class.
They're the type of team that in the past we have struggled against, where they sort of bully and it's off the ball stuff, and we dealt with that really, really well tonight.
Yeah, we stood up to it.
Yeah.
We can do the nice side of the game, and we can do the horrible side of the game. We've shown that numerous times this season, and it's pleasing to see the lads. The squad. You look at the bench tonight.
Definitely, yeah.
It was unbelievable.
Yeah.
To have them options to come on, and in the end they won us the game. The lads who started done the work, and then the lads who come on went and finished the job. And as a group, we were fantastic. And Scotty just said to me, it's a new record, 13 wins on the bounce or something.
Oh wow, right.
So,
Well done.
Or something like that. So well done, and that's credit to everybody at the club doing their job.
Yeah,
So,
everyone's pulling together, and it's going well so far. Yeah. It's a bit disappointing about the 2 games that got called off. It looked like it was going to be a bit of a big week with us with 3 games.
Yeah, it's disappointing, but we didn't let it affect us. We done the work in training, which tonight we'll enjoy it, the weekend we'll enjoy. Then Wednesday, Thursday we'll do the work again for another tough test next week against Shirk, which is going to be another battle. We're going to have to roll our sleeves up there, but we're looking forward to it. We're enjoying the challenge.
Yeah, well, again, well done for tonight. Have a good week, and see you next week.
Cheers.
Congratulations, thank you.